Recently, there has been quite a lot of hype around some Chinese open source models, and for good reasons, because they've got extremely good performance, but it may be complicated to set up the infrastructure to get them, or you may not want to get directly a subscription from these vendors. The good news is that you don't need to do so. You can get directly this GLM 5.2 model served by Mistral. Let's get to the model card. We can see that it has a very big context window, good speed, good performance, and the pricing is extremely competitive at only €1.19 for 1 million output tokens and €3.74 for 1 million output tokens. The only thing we need is to copy these model names. After that, we can open our global configuration file. So as a reminder, you will find it in the home directory, the .vibe folder, and then the config.toml file. And in the newest versions of the Vibe CLI, you don't have a lot of text inside. You will just find your configuration which deviates from the default values. Here, what we need to do is to simply add a new model. And to do so, we add the square brackets, models, and under that, we need to add the name of the model, which we have just copied. We need a provider, which in that case is Mistral. And finally, we need an alias. This is how it will be shown to you in the Vibe CLI. I will simply name it GLM, for example. I save, and I will run the Vibe CLI. Vibe. Now we can use the command /model, and you can see that this GLM model is now available to us. We can select it. We see now it is set as the active model, and you can just start coding and ask whatever you want. You can see that it was extremely fast. While we are discussing how to change the model in the Vibe CLI, I also wanted to show you that in the documentation, there is some guidance on how you can use a local model as well. In addition to what we have done of adding a new model, you also need to define a provider because this time the inference will not be provided by Mistral, but directly by your computer. Let's copy everything, go back to the configuration file, paste it. We don't need the active model, we already have it on top. The provider, I will call it LM Studio, for example, because this is the software I use. In this icon from LM Studio, I can copy the URL and update it here. And I will just leave the API style and the backend. After that, I need to define a model, which is within LM Studio. So the name, I will find it directly in LM Studio. It's here. And be sure that the model is loaded if you want to use it straight away in the Vibe CLI. The provider is the one we have just defined above, so LM Studio. And finally, the alias is how the name will be shown in the Vibe CLI, let's say Mistral. And I need to put the models together, paste this one here, save, and get back to Vibe. Let's try /model, Mistral. It will take a bit more time than GLM, especially my laptop is not so fast. And here you go. This is how you can connect a local model in your coding assistant. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.